Hey you guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna, and for today's recipe, we're going to do a spicy honey glazed fried chicken. I'm not even going to hold you guys up. Let's just jump right in. Hey you guys, so I've already rinsed and patted dry my drumstick, and so now I'm creating a chicken lollipop by removing the ends of the drumstick and using my knife to scrape the meat down and exposing a greater portion of the bone. This part is purely optional. You guys don't have to do that. Also, if you're using like a chicken wing or a thigh or a different like cut of meat other than drumstick, obviously you don't have to do that. But that's really what I wanted to try tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing that so I could create that chicken lollipop. And my drumsticks are ready to be seasoned. They're all cleaned and prepped. And so now I'm just gonna whisk all of my seasonings together and I'm going to season my chicken. I've gone ahead and listed all of the seasonings that I use in making this recipe. When I season my chicken, I like to evenly distribute and make sure that the seasoning coat the chicken by massaging the seasoning in the chicken. And after I do that, I'm going to pour the buttermilk and I'm going to allow my chicken to sit in the fridge covered for about an hour to let the seasoning and the buttermilk set in. Now, if you've never used buttermilk to when frying your chicken, I encourage you to try that method because what buttermilk does, it allows for a juicier, tender piece of chicken when you're frying chicken. After covering my bowl and placing in the fridge for an hour, now I'm going to fry my chicken. And to do that, I am going to mix all of my spices with the flour and cornstarch mixture. If you don't have cornstarch, it's okay to just use all-purpose flour, but the cornstarch will make your chicken so crunchy, so crispy, that you're just gonna love it. So for this recipe, I'm not using any eggs. I'm just going to take the chicken from the buttermilk and I'm going to dredge it in the flour and I'm going to dredge it back in the buttermilk and back in the flour. I'm gonna dredge it 2 times, and what that does is it creates a really thick, crunchy exterior for the chicken. So when flouring your chicken for this part, definitely use a bigger bowl or use a Ziploc bag. I didn't do that. I used an itty bitty little bowl. Don't know why I did that, couldn't tell you, but I am using a smaller saucepan because that allowed my my chicken, when I'm frying it, I fried it upside down for it to maintain its lollipop shape. And make sure your oil is hot before adding your chicken, and also make sure to submerge. If you're doing a lollipop chicken as well, make sure you submerge your chicken entirely in the oil and that it's completely cooked throughout. And now after frying my chicken for about 12 to 15 minutes, my chicken is ready. It's crunchy, it's crispy, it has a deep golden brown color, and now I'm done. After frying and draining my chicken, now I'm going to go ahead and drizzle and coat the chicken with the hot honey. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is ready. Dinner is served. And so for dinner, I also served a small platter of baked mac and cheese, some arugula feta cheese, peach salad, and some boiled sweet corn, along with my spicy honey fried crispy crunchy chicken. When I say dinner was a success, I mean dinner was an absolute success. I hope that you guys try this recipe, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments, and I will do my best to respond. And don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more content. Until next time, guys. Bye.